Have you thought that you couldn't buy a home because you couldn't get a big enough down payment together? Well, that's where I come in. Hi, I'm John Wendell with Keller Realty, and a recent survey from Bankrate asked prospective buyers to identify the biggest obstacles in their home buying journey. It found that 36% of those polled said saving for a down payment is one of their primary hurdles to buying a home. If you feel the same way, the good news is there are many down payment assistance programs available that can help you achieve your home ownership goals. The key is to understand where to look and learning what options are available. So here's some information that can help you out. You can qualify even if you purchased a home before. What do you think of that? There are several misconceptions about down payment assistance programs. For starters, many people believe there's only assistance programs for first-time home buyers. While first-time home buyers have many options to explore, repeat buyers have some too. So according to the latest homeownership program index from downpaymentresource.com, it is a common misconception that homeowners assistance is only available to first-time home buyers. However, 38% of all home buyer assistance programs in Q1 of 2022 did not have a first-time home buyer requirement. That means that repeat buyers could qualify for over 1/3 of the assistance programs available. And if you're a repeat buyer, you may be able to take advantage of some first-time home buyer programs depending on your personal situation. That's because downpaymentresource.com also notes many of the first-time home buyer programs use the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development's definition of a first-time home buyer. You could qualify for a first-time home buyer too if you're someone who hasn't owned a primary home in the last 3 years and a single parent who only ever owned a home with a former spouse. That means no matter where you are in your home ownership journey, there could be an option available for you. You may also be eligible for programs based on location or profession. In addition to broader options available to repeat and first-time homebuyers, there are many options and types of down payment assistance programs that you could qualify based on your location. According to the National Association of Realtors, many local governments and nonprofit organizations offer down payment assistance grants, loans, and targeted to area and borrowers and often to specific borrower requirements. Plus, there's programs and special benefits for individuals working in certain professions, like doctors and teachers and nurses and veterans. So ultimately, that means there are many federal, state, and local programs available for you to explore. The best way to do that is connect with your local real estate professional and your lender to learn more about what's available in your area. Down payment assistance programs have helped many of my homeowners achieve their dreams, and if you qualify, they can help you too. So let's connect today so you can begin exploring your options. Again, I'm John Wendell with Keller Realty. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. My phone number is 972-841-9065, and I hope you have a fantastic week.